Hi folks, welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name is Rahim, and today we're going to do a walkthrough on the new Scout 355 LXF. This particular boat, we're powering it with triple Mercury 350 Verados with joystick piloting. We're looking at a close to 65 mile an hour boat, dual step hull. This boat performed beautifully in rough water, one of a kind. Thing we'll see here that the 35 has is a full walkthrough here. So as a tender or in your home dock, you have this versatility to kind of move to either side. Please come inside. This particular 355 was equipped with your rear bench seat. Another neat thing, new in 2018 on the 355, what sets it apart from the other 350s, Seakeeper. You got the Seakeeper 3, no generator, all on inverter power. Triple seating, Helm. Compared to the previous Scout 35s, it had a kind of just a dual seating. We got triple seating here. Let's just look at our Garmin displays. Here we go. We got our triple 12-inch screens. Here's our Seakeeper control. Our new Mercury joystick system, skyhook system. Just an updated version from last year's. Another difference is our lounge chair. It's just designed more with a flow. Nice curvatures. Redesigned again for 2018. Electric bow table. Now they're going standard with JL audio. Come towards the cabin. If you want to take a peek in there, how they redesigned what is the flooring, the coloring, the refrigerator in the cabin. They just really made it nice and modern. Great design. Well folks, thank you for joining us in touring the new Scout 355 LXF. You will see us at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show coming up. Thank you, and stay tuned for our next video.